everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. We're going to be doing a really fun pour today on this very tiny little wooden box. This is something that I painted black. It was actually just a little box sign that I had in my house, and I'm like, you know what? I don't use that anymore. I'm just going to paint right over it, and I just used some plain old Liquitex acrylic black, and I just quickly painted right over it. It is still wet in most of the area. I might have to touch up the sides at the very end, but I can do that off camera. So I'm just going to get this little pour going. It's going to be a little Botanical Dutch pour. And I just wanted to just do something fun and just keep playing with different colors on these little bitty canvas. I'm going to go with some iridescent white, a pewter. This is a blue-black. It's an iridescent. A cerulean blue. And an ultramarine blue. Pretty blue shades. That's what I'm going to go for today on this nice dark black background. I think it will just pop. I'm not going to use a regular base. I'm just going to use this wet paint as my base because it is a small canvas. You don't need a lot of paint on here. So there's no need for me to pour an additional layer of paint when I really don't want it to just slide off the canvas. I just want to keep where it's going to be. And yeah, I'm just going to get right into it and be quick about this one. And I don't need a lot of paint, so I'm just going to draw out my design like I typically would. My focal point there. And I'm going to stick with my designs that I've been absolutely loving. They just seem to work out. And they're just kind of my signature right now of how I create my art, and I would just want to stick with it. I want to keep it on this canvas too. I really don't want it to flow over. So fun to work with these little canvases. I really love to work with large canvases, of course, but there's something about these little canvases that I am enjoying the process. Yeah, nice simple little design. Started out with that iridescent white. To get me started, I'm gonna blow this out, and I'm going to be using my little air gun. Alright, I think we're ready to go with blowing this out. Takes no time at all to do these. Start right here. Just takes a little bit of control. What do you think, guys? Personally, I think it's turning out pretty nice. Really like working with the little air tool. Feel like I can really play with it some. How cute. Now we can work with incorporating the botanical technique to it. Really make it come to life. All right, we'll see if I have to use that anymore. But I'm going to start playing. This one's just about done. I think I like white or a different color background, all in all, but we'll see if we can make this one work. A couple areas I just want to manipulate a little bit. right, I think this one came out pretty. It's a little dark. I'm going to add just a little bit of a white center. Nice little white center right there, and we'll call this one done. All right, I'm gonna call this one done. It was simple, it was pretty painless. I think I'll call this one done now. I think she turned out really pretty. I'll just leave that. All right, guys, I think I'll call this one done for now. We'll wait to see how it dries and see if we want to do anything more after it dries. But I think for now, I think she looks really pretty. Before I show you the dried results, let me take you down for a close-up to see what it looks like while it's still wet, and then stay till the very end so you can see the dried results. Hey everyone, I thought I'd give you a little flyover before this one dries completely. I think her design and her colors look really stunning on that nice deep dark black background. I can't wait till she dries, so stay to the very end to see the dried results. And I also want to mention, if you haven't already seen my announcement of my Botanical Dutch Pour course. It's out on the Smart Art course platform. Use code SAVE10 for $10 off my course. And I just know you're going to love this course. I teach you so much more than what's here on my channel. I have several bonuses that take these paintings to the next level and help you be more creative and use your imagination. So I share all of my tips and tricks with you in my course. So please don't hesitate to log on, check it out, see if it's for you or not. Ask me questions, I will answer them inside the course. And I just look forward to seeing what you can create. All right, stay to the very end for my dried results. Hey everyone, I'm back with the dried results of this beauty. She really turned out to be so fun. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about her. She's on this cute little wood block. Just so fun to work on. I really liked it. It was fun. And she dried really great on it. I did go ahead and do some outlining on the individual petals. But all in all, I think she came out super pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, of course. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you later.